Now practice on this side. Is all the adhesive off your fingers? Is it sticky at all?
Oh, okay.
Same thing, just practice. Pull your head back. It's a beautiful tip because they really do exactly what that lash is.
Straightens that eyelid out just a little bit. It's very unnatural though, the feeling of tilting your head back and putting something on your eye. It's supposed to feel kind of funny. I still am not used to it.
There you go. You'll have to just pull that one off a little bit and then you'll place it right down. And I think too, once again, like how you focus on if you focus on lining that outside, then you'll be able to just kind of press that from there.
Okay.
Do you want to try one more time before we put adhesive, or you feel ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So let's get this out. And you see how the little amount of adhesive too that you put on here? Perfect. What you got going on today?
He just called.
Oh yeah?
So I'm like, that's all, just he. Well, I had liposuction done, and I went to the doctor, and he released me today. So I think, and I posted it on Facebook, and then he hit me.
He said, "Oh, you ready to come?"
Right, exactly. It's been 8 weeks, so. But anyway, I'm telling y'all all that.
Back corner. I love how slow you're moving. Sometimes that slow to tilt back, tilt back, tilt back. There you go. Put your hand, that front part.
You can even use the applicator if you want to.
See that front part, kind of pull that front out. Maybe grab your finger and just kind of pull it that front part. Pull it back off. Pull it. The front part, just kind of pull it off the skin. Got it?
No.
I would still pull it. I would pull it totally off the skin.
So you can replace it.
There you go. And now place it lower. There you go. There you go. Use that one. Beautiful. It's okay. It'll dry clear, so you don't have to worry about that. Let me see. Look down. I'm going to give you a little bit more of adhesive to put on there. Alright, so you're going to want to get close up into the mirror like this, okay? You're going to do your tilt back again. You're going to pull your lid down like this, and you're going to line this adhesive right across it, okay? Right across the lash band.
Oh.
Okay, now you're going to press it back down.
You said,
Yep, tilt
Go-
back,
oh,
there you
tilt.
go. And push it down right.
You can grab one of these. This might help. Because it's like flat. Hold a little bit better. It's also softer.
There you go. Okay. Miss Lynn!
is that on there right or not, y'all?
Let me see. I think you can, now you can just grab your lash and push it back. Push it to your lash line. From the front, push back. No, let me see. You can push a little bit more.
I wouldn't pull the eye. I wouldn't pull, I would just push.
There you go. Push back.
Yeah.
That's it.
Look at you! You did it! I'm so proud of you!
I am too. I need to take my own advice and slow down.
Slow, steady. Awesome.
So what's the tip on the eyebrows?
Eyebrows? You want to show us some brows?
Sure, yeah. Do you want, are you...
I just want to, they're not finished as you can see. So I just need to know
using
the,
a pencil?
yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Beth's going to take over teaching from here. I'm going to get on this conference call.
Thank you.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you. Now you have no idea this is the beginning of something big. Because I've never been able to, so when you do your eyebrows, so the first thing is what? You brush them or what?
Correct, yes. That's what I like to do. You can grab one of these guys and brush through your brows. Make sure all the hair is aligned right. You don't want any crazy hair going different ways. Just brush them up.
They're coming in to be right here on the phone. I'm going to mute it so she didn't.
Okay. See how that one already looks better than the other one? Just brushing them up a little bit helps. And here's this. You can twist it like this if you want more product. And what I like to do is start on the bottom here and kind of just line. I like to hold it a little bit flatter to my face.
Okay.
So more like...
Oh, like this?
Correct, yeah. Almost like this.
Okay.
Yep. And that makes it to where I don't put too much on. And just go little strips like that. And just make sure you're following the shape of that brow. Or the shape that you think.
That it?
Yeah, you're doing really good. Now what I like to do from here, I usually, after I use that kind of line, I like to go up with it and flick hair-like strokes up. Yeah. Yeah. And this way you can hold it more straight on if you want. Yeah.
Hold it straight.
Yeah. And then you can start lining that top if you want. You can continue with the tail. Less is more. You can always go back and fill more in, but
Okay.
you always want to start
That's
lining
perfect.
it. Yeah.
I mean, that's good enough.
Yeah.
And then, You can always take that brush and kind of brush it out a little bit. When you feel like you messed up or anything. Yeah, you look good. I really appreciate you because I actually, with both of these, have learned something that, just the little things that I wasn't doing,
Yeah,
that's going to allow me to be able to,
exactly. You forget them when you're in the mirror and you're getting ready. You forget, you know.
yeah,
How
well, I
to
never knew
hold.
it. I never knew how to. So here.
Yeah, you can sit down from.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else you need to question?
No.
Yeah, you can trim
I might just pay for my lashes, right?
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
get you right over here.
Thank you so much.
Of course, yeah. And your name was Lynn?
Lynn,
Lynn, nice to meet you, Lynn.
you as well, honey.